Okay, I'm making a quick unboxing video for my friend in the Ukraine. This is the Mavic 2 Pro. It's a cool box. The opening is here. It says open, so I will pull that tab. It's kind of a sticky tab. Here we go. I think this comes off, and whew, there it is. There's the Mavic 2. I'll pull this out. There is the drone. You can see it's got the sensors, the main camera with the gimbal. It's already in a protective case, so that's great. Should be pretty easy to transport. It's got all the stickers of the order to remove or move things. I'll just leave it there. This is the control. Looks like there's plastic tape. I guess you take it off later, but there's some tape that you remove. I won't remove it. I'll just leave it like that. And these will come down, but I won't do that now. The little joysticks are missing. I think you screw them on later. I'll put this here. Here's one box. Here's one box. A second box, a third box, and I think that's it. So I will keep this box in case there's a problem and we need to return it. I'll put this over here. I think we'll just probably keep these items. And so it's going to be pretty easy, I think, to bring this to the Ukraine. This is looks like it's the charging cable. Yeah. So it looks like this is the charger. And so that's the charger. I assume that's what, I guess the battery is already installed. No charge in the battery. So the battery's already here. Here's the charger. This looks like some instruction manuals. These are the propellers. So there are propellers. Great. So the propellers and the instructions are in this box. Oh yeah, propellers and documentation. And this are some cables, it looks like. Oh yes. So, yep, different cables. Oh no, these are the joystick knobs for the controller, and they're different cables because this is. Pull it out, yeah. This is compatible with iPhone, Android, other devices. Oh look, and there's some extra joysticks down here too. That must be a backup joystick. So I assume, yeah, this joystick will come out, and you can just screw it like that. But we will keep the joysticks in here, the knobs. So that's it. I think this is pretty easy to transport. We're going to bring the drone, the controller, and 3 boxes. Okay? Thank you.